So yeah, look at that. That's when I printed this. 2009, basically when I started cooking. But yeah, let's see. 7 ounces of tuna. These are 4 ounces each. So that's 8 ounces of tuna right there. Green onions right there. Dijon mustard back there. 2 eggs beaten. Got 2 eggs. Freshly squeezed. I don't have freshly squeezed. I thought I had a lemon here, but I guess not. I have this. I'll use this. Kosher salt. It's right here. Black peppers back there. And panko. And then oil for sauteing. So yeah, there it goes. I have everything. Let's get it together. Okay, so I got a mixing bowl and basically just put everything together in here. So that's what I'll do. I'll beat the eggs, drain the tuna, and just combine everything in the mixing bowl. Okay, in with the tuna. Alright, so there's a tuna. I'll just put in the green onions. Let's see, the mustard says 2 teaspoons. It's about 2 teaspoons. All right, 2 eggs. Okay, here's the egg. So there's about a tablespoon or a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let's see, with half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And about 3/4 cups of panko. That's basically it. Just mix that in. Alright, mix this in. Simple as that. I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't. But here they go. I shaped them into these patties. I warmed up some tortillas. So I don't know if you can tell what I'm gonna do. I was gonna make these into those into burritos. Let them sit in the freezer for about 10 minutes or so. Hopefully it helps it set up. And I was supposed to save some of the breadcrumbs, but I used all of them. So maybe, hopefully it'll help it stick together even better too. But okay, I think I'm ready to go. I got more breadcrumbs here, panko, to coat the outside. Okay, so let's see. Let's see how it releases. Oh, that was pretty nice right there. I think we're ready to go. Looks like the pan's hot enough. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're ready. Probably ready for a flip. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Alright, just turn off the heat. These are done. Golden brown. Alright, so this was kind of my idea for today, for my dinner. Some lettuce. Some arugula. One of those tuna croquettes. Red onion, carrots, and cucumbers. And the tartar sauce. Alright, roll this up. Look at that. Yummy. Alright, my dinner's ready. 2 burritos right there. Can't wait to eat it. I'm hungry. Alright, let's see. We'll go with this one. Oh wow. Check that out. Alright, first one's done. Here's the second one. Oh wow. What a dinner. So good. Look at that last bite.